ChatGPT and the other OpenAI services are changing the world. And if you want to stay at the top of the software industry, you have to be fluent in these revolutionary engines. A lot have been said about the impact of ChatGPT and how it's going to change the way we do things, from development to writing content, marketing, planning, summarizing, and lots more. And in fact, nothing in the human history reached 100 million users as fast as ChatGPT, and it did so by a large margin. And in this course, we are going to learn exactly that. We will learn what is ChatGPT and how to use it in the most effective way. But we will do much more than that. We will learn how to combine ChatGPT and the other OpenAI services with the power of Azure. Microsoft is a major investor in OpenAI, and so Azure is the only cloud which offers OpenAI services as part of its cloud services offering. And the combination of these two services provide a robust, secure, and reliable AI services unmatched by any other cloud. So, what are we going to learn in this practical course? We will begin with a quick overview of the history of GPT models and other AI models of OpenAI, and then learn about the components of the chat in ChatGPT. And then comes the fun part. We are going to have a lot of hands-on work with ChatGPT and other models, beginning from the very basics and moving on to advanced techniques for using ChatGPT, helping us get effective and useful responses using prompt engineering. We will also learn about DALL-E, another OpenAI service that creates images based on text prompts, and learn how to work with it using advanced prompt techniques. And after working with ChatGPT and DALL-E, it's time to look at Azure OpenAI service. We will learn what exactly is Azure OpenAI service and what are the model families included in it, including the models in each family. And then we will start working with it. We will get introduced to Azure OpenAI Studio, where we can play with the models and test them, and also have a full chat with Azure OpenAI services, including the ability to fully customize the experience. We will also learn how to use DALL-E in Azure OpenAI and play with it in the studio. And then we will start working with the API, which is the heart of the OpenAI service, allowing you to use it and integrate it into your own system. This API is extremely easy to use and provides full access to the various OpenAI capabilities. We will also learn how to use the DALL-E API, which allows you to generate stunning images based on prompt and can be integrated into your system. We will also learn about content filtering and see how you can make sure your content is safe and filter out harmful user-generated content using an easy-to-use user interface. And of course, Azure has great security controls, and we will learn how to secure your OpenAI service from unauthorized access using services such as private endpoints and more. Now note, in order to benefit the most from this course, you should have some prior knowledge of Azure. This is not a beginner Azure course. However, you don't have to have any prior knowledge of ChatGPT or DALL-E, and of course about the OpenAI service in Azure. We will learn everything from the absolute beginning. So by the end of this course, you will know how to use ChatGPT and DALL-E. You will be an expert in OpenAI services in Azure. You will know how to fine-tune models in OpenAI service. You will know how to secure OpenAI service. And most importantly, you will become a much better cloud architect and developer. This course is part of the acclaimed software architecture series of courses. This series attracted hundreds of thousands of students from more than 180 countries and gained amazing reviews. So, enroll now to this course and become an even better cloud developer and architect.